Feeding your baby from 6 to 12 months. Young children need enough nutritious food every day to grow healthy, strong, and smart. Around 6 months of age, your baby is growing very quickly and needs more energy and nutrients than at any other stage in her life. This video will show how to feed your baby in this fast-growing time of her young life. At 6 months of age, breast milk continues to be a vital source of nutrition, but it's not enough by itself. Now, you need to introduce your baby to solid food in addition to breast milk to keep up with her growing needs. Be sure you give your baby her first foods after she has breastfed or between breastfeeds so that your baby continues to suckle as much as possible. When starting to feed your baby solid food, take extra care that she doesn't become sick. As your baby crawls about and explores, diarrhea and other sickness can be passed by germs that spread from her hands to her mouth. Protect your baby from getting sick by washing hands with soap before preparing food and before every feeding. When your baby is 6 months old, she is just learning to chew. Her first foods need to be soft so they're very easy to swallow, such as porridge or well-mashed fruits and vegetables. When porridge is too watery, it does not contain as many nutrients. To make it more nutritious, cook it until it's thick enough not to run off the spoon. Feed your baby when you see her feeding signals, such as her hands at her mouth. After washing hands, start by giving your baby just 2 to 3 spoonfuls of soft food twice a day. At this age, her stomach is small, so she can only eat small amounts at each meal. The taste of a new food may surprise your baby. Give her time to get used to these new foods and flavors. Be patient and don't force your baby to eat. Watch for signs that she is full and stop feeding her then. As your baby grows, her stomach also grows and she can take more food with each feeding. From 6 months to 8 months old, feed your baby a half cup of soft food 2 to 3 times a day. You can start to add a healthy snack between meals. Snacks such as mashed fruit are convenient and easy to prepare. As your baby gets increasing amounts of other food, he'll continue to get the same amount of breast milk. From 9 months to 11 months old, your baby can take half cup of food 3 to 4 times a day, plus a healthy snack. Now, you can start to chop up soft food into small pieces instead of mashing it. Your baby may start to eat food herself with her fingers. Continue to breastfeed whenever your baby is hungry. Each meal needs to be both easy for your baby to eat and packed with nutrition. Make every bite count. At 6 months, your baby can eat anything except honey, which should not be given until she is a year old. To make every bite count, foods need to be rich in energy and nutrients. In addition to grains and tubers, which are not enough by themselves, be sure your baby has vegetables and fruits, legumes and seeds, a little energy-rich oil or fat, and especially animal foods every day. Eating a variety of foods daily gives your baby the best chance of getting all the nutrients he needs. If your baby refuses a new food or spits it out, let it be and try it again a few days later. You can also mix it with another food that your baby likes, or squeeze a little breast milk on top. If you are not breastfeeding your baby, she'll need to eat even more times per day. Without breast milk, which is so nutritious, your baby will need to rely on other food, including milk products, to get all the nutrition her body needs. Start to give your baby solid foods at 6 months of age, just as a breastfed baby would need. Begin with 2 to 3 spoonfuls of soft and mashed food 4 times a day. This will give him the nutrients he'll need without breast milk. From 6 to 8 months old, she'll need a half cup of soft food 4 times a day, plus a healthy snack. And from 9 to 11 months old, she'll need a half cup of food 4 to 5 times a day, plus 2 healthy snacks. Remember, after 6 months, breast milk is still your baby's main source of energy and nutrients, but solid foods are now added. Your baby has a small stomach and needs small amounts of soft, nutritious food frequently throughout the day. In addition to grains and tubers, feed your baby a variety of foods, especially animal foods, fruits, and vegetables every day.